Black.
No.
Layla, look! Layla, look!
Are you scared of red deer? No, their talons are sharp. And they're irritated. Ow!
Yeah. Bird fight.
Can you bring it down so Layla can see?
She's seeing. I don't want her to touch.
Well, we're not going to find more. Look, Matt, there's one on Daddy's
Really
shoulder.
attacked me.
Look
Here,
on
can you hold
Daddy's
this?
shoulder. Right there.
Stop using words like.
Oh, okay.
You gotta bring him down lower here.
Lower?
Let him have it, Matt.
Got it.
Put it up there. Let him bring it.
Layla, look at the camera.
This one talon digging into my
Come over
finger,
here.
and it's not comfortable.
A lot.
Alright.
Don't put it on your shoulder.
Layla, can you get closer?
Oh, I gotta go back up to the bird.
You want to... Oh wow, they're fighting on Daddy.
See the pretty feather? No, that's Daddy. Let Daddy hold it.
Why can't you hold it,
It's
Peter?
sharp. I don't think you'd like it.
It's okay.
It's not very comfortable.
That one just landed on her head.